Is it okay to be in a relationship with a non-believer or to marry a non-believer because there's division in the house?
When you hit something like suffering, and so much of life is suffering, the non-believer is going to look at it in a very different way than the believer. The believer is going to say, I can find meaning in my suffering, meaning that's actually eternal. I'm going to bring my kids to church, and we know that the church, most churches that are healthy, come around their people when they suffer, and that helps them tremendously. While this other person who's, no, I don't believe in any of that, is either going to be solo or go after some different type of ideology or some other type of crutch in order to deal with the suffering. Then thirdly, the kids are going to be very confused. One parent might take them to church on a Sunday, the other are going to say, no, that's ridiculous. And the kids are going to wonder, wow, is this truth? Is this not truth? What are we doing here? So those are the big issues behind it. Again, not a sin. I've had some people say, well, marry a non-believer because it's a nice evangelistic project. I would not say that's wise. There's other ways to evangelize. So those are the issues, though. Those are the layers that become tremendously challenging in marrying a non-believer.